I'm going to say it since nobody else is. It's not racist to say that I don't want illegal immigrants in my country, and in the country, especially any of them, that they don't belong in, especially legally. If you still think so, for whatever reason, and I can't fathom why, but if you do think that it is racist to say that, think about it. I just want you to think about it like this. Without being hateful or anything, just think about it like this, okay? Would you let some random stranger into your home where your family also resides with you? Would you let a random stranger, doesn't matter what, like, race or anything, I'm just saying a random person, random everything about them, you don't know who it is, what their intentions are, would you let them in your home? Maybe depending on the certain time of day or how they were acting, you know, if they posed as like a salesman, or, you know, it depends on context, right? Of course. But still, like, it would make sense if, like, some contractor came to your door, right? Or let's say, I've seen so many scams, or, what are they called? People that break in, I forget what the fuck, I get thieves, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. They pose as delivery drivers, like Amazon, whatever. They come to your door, pretend they're bringing a package, but they ask you to open the door to come out and grab it from them, so that they also have a gang of other people hiding behind them to go in the house and, you know, whatever. I've seen videos of that happening on, like, scary Ring camera doorbell videos or whatever. Scary shit. But that's my point is, let's say that happens, you look out the window and you're like, oh, that's weird, I didn't order anything. Maybe I shouldn't open the door to these guys. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's things where if you don't know who it is, you're gonna be suspicious of letting them in your home. Your home is your safe space, just like this country. This country is supposed to be our safe space. So why would we let random people in our country, we don't know who they are, what they want to do, or their intentions? Yes, I understand that some of them are just looking for a better home. I know that. I do know. I'm not just a racist, fascist, bigot, piece of shit, homophobe, anti-Semitic, whatever, this, that. No, I'm simply pointing out the facts. I'm just saying, hey, look at that. That's kind of suspicious. That's weird. Why are we doing that? That's not right. That's all I'm saying. It's not that hard to understand. I don't need to get insulted just because I'm pointing out the facts. If I go, the sky is blue, you're gonna call me a fucking bitch for it or something? Like, that doesn't make any sense. You understand? So it's not a conspiracy, it's not racist, it's the truth, right? So I just want you guys to understand, this is why so many people are against letting illegal immigrants into our borders, because despite, yes, like I said, some are just looking for a better place to live, maybe are just looking for a home, there are also a lot that are committing horrible, horrible crimes against innocent people here in America. Why? You understand what I'm saying? Like, it's just stupid. I don't understand how you could be okay with that. The second thing I wanted to very briefly discuss is what makes Kamala Harris so dangerous is that she's very likable. And I see this because she's not just some idiot. I think I've said in the video before, she's not just some idiot like Joe Biden. Like, she knows what she's doing. She's a witch. She's an absolute witch. She knows exactly what she's doing. She plays dumb so that her opponents are like, oh, this will be easy to win against her. She knows what she's doing. I don't know if people genuinely like her, but I've even come across some people, like, on Facebook and stuff, like, that have Kamala 2024 in their bio, and I try to tell them, I'm like, guys, you can't fall for this bullshit. And they just go, you're stupid, you're saying stupid shit, whatever. You know, all they do is they just insult you when they know they're wrong. I forget what the quote is, but something like, it's something like, a fool will insult you when he's wrong, but that's exactly true. Only a smart person, when they know they're wrong or they're being critiqued or corrected, will sit there and go, "Oh, okay, I didn't see it that way." Only a fool would just sit there and get mad at you because they know that they are wrong and they don't want to admit it because they're so full of themselves. But that's what I was going to say about Kamala Harris is she's manipulative. She's a witch. She's probably no better than Hillary Clinton. She seems like an absolute terrible person. There's some things at abortion clinics that I've seen and heard. Things that I've seen that I never wanted to see, but she backs abortion clinics. Now, here's a quick thing about abortion. There's no argument that you can make about abortion that you can win with it. What I'm going to say is that no baby should ever get killed. If you know why they do abortions, especially like Planned Parenthood specifically, if you know about it, like the deep stuff, it's bad. It's really, really, really bad. But abortion is a topic that, of course, she supports free choice. She's pro-choice, and you can't win. Because listen to this. One side, if you say, oh, abortion should never happen, no babies should ever get killed, that's a good argument because no baby should ever get killed. But then people are going to say, but then the argument arises, what about when someone gets raped? Then they're forced to have the rapist. You see what I'm saying? But then if you say, okay, so then we'll be pro-choice, but then a lot of people will just go being fucking whores, go hoeing around, and then if they happen to get pregnant, which they fucking will, then they'll just kill the baby. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, there's no way to win the argument. Either way, someone's gonna be mad at you, or part of it is kind of fucked up. Like, it's just, abortion can't be in politics because it's never gonna it's not a conversation anybody can win, right? But anyway, yeah, God, man, I don't know. Kamala Harris seems like really her target audience is the youth, and that's why she's so giggly and laughy. She's clearly a fucking sociopath or something. Clearly a narcissist, for sure. I don't know about like a literal sociopath or psychopath, but definitely a narcissist. I can tell that much. She knows exactly what she's doing, and the whole like Biden administration does too. They're not stupid like they play. Just watch out for that.